Definitely not going in with the bolt forward. That's not going. Ooh, okay. Got one in. Ah, one shot. Oh. Alright. I don't know what I'm doing. That was spectacular. Cut that out. We got a just you're going one whole thing, right? So we've got a you. It's the only suppressor.
Out? Yeah, I dropped.
Ah! Hey GoPro, start recording. Pew pew pew. Pew 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 pew. Hey GoPro, stop recording. That's a stupid thing to say. Yeah, we've got video that you're watching, or your. I don't remember. Oh. Ah! Ah! Ambidextrous. How do we say it?
Ambidextrous.
I like saying it wrong. It pisses people off. Yeah. Ambidextrous. It also has an ambidextrous. It's got an ambi safety.
I'm not that guy.
Device that you already have, the trifecta or the ASR ported. What do you call those things? Help me out here.
Muzzle brake, 3-port muzzle brake.
Any of the 3-port muzzle brakes. You can clip all that shit together, right?
Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas!
It's a bingo!
Cool.